So we just grabbed the stuff out of our REPL page and we brought it back to our notepad. And first of all, of course, we had a little bit of an issue because there was no photos at all. So we had to download the photos from REPL, or hopefully you've kept them in a folder as you went along. When we downloaded it, it actually still didn't work, because I told you when you download it, you should put them into an images folder to keep all your images together. At least you have 20 or 30 images now. You can keep them all together. And well, finally then, to correct that, what you had to do was you just made a reference to that file path, or to change the file path to say, hey, look in the images folder and you'll find what you're looking for. Okay, good stuff. So I'm going to do the CSS page now, but the rest of the pages are all very similar to that. Your about, your products, all that, they're all going to be the same thing, but I'm going to do the CSS one now. So again, I go back to my notepad here now, and I'm going to go File and New. And in the new one, I'm going to go File and Save As, and I think we had it called as style.css. I hope anyway. I should really have a look, but I'm going to take a leap of faith. Style.css. And again, don't forget, it's going to save it as a text document if you don't change this to all files. So it kind of overwrites and it says, right, I want to definitely save it as a CSS file here. And you can see other files coming up now. Go save. And it's blank at the moment. So we need to go back to our REPL and go to our style.css page and click anywhere in it, in any place. Go Control and A, Control and C, or if you want, you don't have to go Control and A, Control and C. You could do right click, select all. Well, maybe to select all, you're going to have to do Control and A, and then you're going to have to go right click and copy, something like that. And go back here and then go right click and paste, or Control and V is what I like as the shortcuts. So now that you've got that, again, make sure you've got all these kind of commented as I see there. So save that now, save. And originally it was linked to it in REPL, so it should be linked to it now also in the index page. So we'll get it out. So there it is now. Let's refresh this. And you can see now it's starting to look more like the old days there. So that's with it all linked in, and hopefully you will have the same kind of issue or situation as me there, how it looks and that. But that's the CSS one downloaded. In the next video, I'll just download a bunch of them all together really quickly and burst through it.